Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today we are going to make pasta, just a very simple recipe that you can lean on. So it's just very simple. Let's go and let's head start. So on my stove, I'm going to put water, boiling water. I'm going to boil water. So put as enough water as you think that would be enough. So put enough water. So to this water, I'm going to add some salt to it. Yeah, because the pasta needs taste. So I can add a little bit of salt, not much. Yeah, I've added some salt. And you can add maybe some spices that you feel that you enjoy putting it forward. Yeah, so for this case, I'm going to choose. I'll be putting cinnamon stick. Okay, I'll be putting cinnamon stick. So I don't put a lot, but it depends on how you feel like. If you want, you can put quite enough. You can put cloves. You can put any stick any stick spice that you feel like, yeah, would marinate it. So we are going to boil this water, and after boiling, then that's when you shall add the pasta, so that it also boils. So the one mistake that most people do is to, like, put the pasta at once with the water and then boil. Sometimes it can turn out to be very sticky. So the best method is you need to first boil your water, and after boiling your water, then you can put your pasta, let it boil, cook, then you can get off the water. So let's wait for our water to boil first. Here, so I think now you can see our water is boiling. So at this moment, I'm going to add the pasta. So you can choose to add how much you want, but for this case, this is just, a learning platform. So basically, I guess this is enough. Yeah. So now let it boil in the water again. Yeah, so as you can see, a pasta, it's already ready, and I've already sieved out the water. So this is what we get. So now the next step is we're going to fry, yeah, our onions, tomatoes, and you can add with some other vegetables that you want, maybe green pepper, yellow pepper, carrots, all that. But for this time I'll be only using onions, tomatoes, and some spices. That's all. I'm just keeping it simple. So we are heating our oil, let it heat, and then we fry the onions, tomatoes, put spices like garlic, cumin, black pepper, all the spices that you feel like you would like to put. So let's get started. So my oil has already heated up, so I'm going to add my onions. So I think you can see they're turning brown. So if you want to, you can choose to fry it till golden brown. It just depends on what you choose. But I'm gonna end here because this is just light brown and I prefer that. So we shall be adding our tomatoes. So into these tomatoes, I have already put, I put the cumin, I put black pepper, I put the garlic, I put most of the ingredients that I want, so I don't waste time. So add our tomatoes and fry them. So I think you can see in this I've already put some of the spices. So we are going to fry this until it's soft. Tomatoes need to get ready and get soft. So let's add salt. Pinch of salt. You don't need to add a lot because you already fried your pasta with salt. So just add a little bit of salt. Little. This aroma is just so mwah. I don't know. If you are here, just try this recipe at home. I mean, yeah, the tomatoes are getting ready, and in case you have a blender, you just blend all this. Yeah. So for my case today, I'm not blending anything. So you can see it's now soft. Quite soft, but some are not yet very soft. So I'm going to heat it for a while more before I add my pasta. Yeah, this really smells so delicious. You should try it at home. So I'm going to cook it for some more minutes. Yeah, cook this for some more minutes. 2 minutes. Yeah, so this is just perfect. It's now really soft. So make sure it doesn't burn, because or else everything is gonna be spoiled. So right now it's really soft. So what's next is finally we've come to what we need. We are going to add the pasta. So let's mix. Look at that. That smells so delicious. Very delicious. Just tell me if you love this recipe. So you can add your toppings, like when you're serving, you can serve with mayonnaise. You can add pasta sauce and mayonnaise also. So as for the moment, I had run out of pasta sauce, but next time will be better. So now I think you can see, just look at how seemingly beautiful and delicious this looks. Don't hesitate to make yourself one. So let it cook for a while, like two more minutes. So basically this would be what I would have been using to serve it with. I'll be serving with mayonnaise, and I just really love it with mayonnaise. Like, it's really so nice. So you can choose what you want. So most basically, whenever it's not fried, like, you know, whenever I don't fry it, you don't top up with mayonnaise. But I just love it that way. So you can choose what you want. You can serve it like this, just like that, or you can top up add some pasta sauce. It's just gonna be so very nice, very delicious. And you can also add on mayonnaise, just very nice. So just 1 more minute, and then we are done and we're ready to serve. Yo, so we have reached and our pasta is ready to serve. Okay, for this case, I'll be using here. It's ready to serve. So let me get it served. Also, this is already served. I mean, just look at this. Yummy. I'll serve the side with some mayonnaise. It's just optional if you want to mix. Like, this is really so nice, so you can try it at home. Yeah, this is just a simple recipe. So in this channel, I'll be showing you the simplest and most delicious recipes you can make at home. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you and hope we can grow together and you can learn more. Thank you. Bye.